Hey guys, it's your boy Jawad Woolard coming in with his first video of this account. Many of you might remember my old account as Jay Williams. I did lots of legit hacks on NBA Live Mobile and Madden Mobile. So this is a ARK 2 game, and I just want to show you guys how to do it, just so in case if you guys want to need help with anything or something. This is very legit. It will show you what you need to get and what you need to do to craft stuff, and later on you will build up and make houses and everything, and get dinosaurs and everything. So here you go, guys. I'm just gonna continue. So, for many things you need sticks, and grain. So with a palm tree, I think that gives you fiber or something. I cut the whole palm tree. Now let's see what I got from the palm tree. From the palm tree, you actually get... One second, guys. From the palm tree, you get fiber. Alright, guys. So I got some fiber now. We just, you want to go to your tent and go to your craft, building stuff. And I would build cloth just for you guys, so I'm just going to show you guys how it works. So right now, I'm trying to get a spare. For this stuff, you need leather strips and stuff, which I really don't have access to. So I'm just going to try to get rope. Let's see what you need to get rope. I have everything to get rope, but I need veins. So we're going to go around killing some dinosaurs to make them look repulsive. And also you can grab a dodo bird and ride a dodo bird as well. So just going to get on my dodo bird. Well, it's not giving me the option to get on my dodo bird, but here we go. So you just want to pick a fight with a dinosaur. Then I'll hop off my dodo bird and help my dodo bird fight. One second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. So let's continue. Okay. One second, guys. Okay. So, I just want to... I think that might be the dinosaur I started picking a fight with. It actually isn't, but I'll just start that. So here comes my dodo bird to the rescue. It's going to try to help. And I'm just gonna hit it. My dodo should help. So if I get close, hit it with my dodo bird, then get off. We'll double team it. Oh, and yes, there is a way to feed your animal, your whatever thing you have. Just press this meat button there. And now I need some meat, something to eat. Okay, we killed it. I don't think we'll get any veins. So I'll just chop down a palm tree to get more fiber to make a rope. I actually need meat. Cut in more fiber. Rules of survival. I hate ants. Okay guys, so I think what past is I know. Got on my dodo. And we'll just go around picking at berry bushes, breaking down a rock and stuff, because you never know what you'll need to build stuff. So it's always good to have enough of everything. Some type, it's a blueberry bush, so it's gonna give me these blue things. I actually need to get over there. Let me help my dodo. I need some of those blueberries. Actually killed it. Now I'll just take some more of these different types of berries. And also, while you're digging through a berry bush, there are, as you can see in a bush, there are leaves. So some stuff you might need, if you need leaves to craft anything, even if it's a berry bush, you can still go to the berry bush to get stuff. I'll come back to you guys with another video, maybe tomorrow or later. So see you guys then.